Hi everybody, it's Joanna from Crafting with a Planned Life today. If you're new here, please, I ask that you give me a chance and hit that subscribe button. I am a new channel, so I am trying to grow my channel. So any support I can get is greatly appreciated. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you will get notified when I do post new content. Today, I am bringing you the August Simply Gilded box. It just came in the mail the other day. I haven't opened it yet, but I have taken it out of the envelope. The box was a little scrunched, but not too bad. So let's take a look and see what's in here. The theme this month is Cozy and Crisp. So it's got kind of a fall theme. It's a plaid theme, cozy time. It looks like it's going to be a gold or a rose gold, which I'm not real keen on. So we'll just have to kind of see what all's inside the box here. I'll put that off to the side. This is the card that comes with it every month. Foil journaling card, designer washi tape, vegan leather pouch, stone and acorn bow charm, sticker sheet ×3, set of bow seals, a pen loop set, cozy B6 notebook, and an ombre gel ink pen. So let's see what we got here. First thing, this looks like the pen loops. Let's take a look at these. Oh, these are really soft, really nice. Those are really pretty. They've got gold foil on them. As much as I like them, I don't know that I'm gonna want to keep these just because of the gold foil. I'm not a gold foil person or a rose gold foil person for that matter. I primarily, if I do any kind of foiling or the bows and so forth, I do more towards the silver. So that's kind of where I lean. But we'll put those off to the side. Here is the bow charm. I know I'll destash this because I don't do a TN or anything like that. It is really cute, don't get me wrong. If that's something that you enjoy, it is kind of cute. It's got the little acorn on it for the fall, and it's kind of a, I'd say a powder blue, silver gray kind of material is the bow. But that is not anything that I would use long term. So I will eventually destash that. This is the vegan leather pouch, and it's got all the washi in it. So let's put it off to the side for a minute. Here is the seals. These are some bows and some bears bows. The bears I won't use. The heart, the bow bows seals, I do use those once in a while for gifts and things like that, or when I'm sending out a card or something. It's got a real muted plaid. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, if that's going to come through or not. And then there's a white and then another muted plaid, and then a couple of other that are like a gray muted plaid. So I may keep those, I don't know, but I doubt it. This is the journaling card. It says nap time, and it's got the bear and the little mushroom on it. That's not my thing. Again, like I said, with not doing the TN, that's not exactly anything I'm going to be into. This must be it's the B6 notebook, cozy notebook, and that's the gray plaid design that's in the other. I'm going to leave that wrapped up because if I destash any of this, I want it to be in the original packaging for everybody. These are the stickers. So far, this is looking like a set that may get done in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. Here are the stickers. So you've got, make sure everything's in focus here. Got several full box, decorative full boxes. This is a wood grain with like what looks like either a copperish color or a rose gold color. Got lots of deco here. Some half boxes, a gratitude box. Again, some deco. Got a scene here. That's a scene washi. That's like one full sticker. And then the days of the week, today, important to do, important reminder, and so forth, important in meetings, some checklists, some little icons here, and little flag icons. And again, that looks like it's got all of that, all of the stardust and all the foil looks like it's either in a gold or a rose gold. So I apologize for the siren. This is the add-on. Now, I do the add-on. The initial box, I believe, is $25. It's either $24 or $25 for the initial subscription box. There's a $4, I believe it's a $4 shipping charge. And then there is a 5mm add-on, and I do get the 5mm. Sorry. There. Now I got it in focus for you. This is kind of a grayish blue color. This one's a white. And then this one is an ombre. It's got that yellow and pink ombre with the gold heart. And then this is a pink bow. And this is an ombre bow. I apologize. I said heart. I meant bow. This is the ombre pen. And it goes from, it looks like pink to green to yellow. I will use it real quick. Oh, got a little. Yeah. I mean, it's your typical ink gel pen. So it does write really well, real nicely. And then here is all of the washi that came this month. Now this is a solid muted with a single, and it looks rose gold. I'm pretty sure it's rose gold or a copper maybe. I'm not sure. I'm kind of torn, to be honest. I'm a little bit on the fence with this one. And then the wood grain design. I really like that wood grain design. I'm not into the gold or the rose gold. And then here is the one that I think was a little bit different depending upon which roll you got. Some were yellow, more yellow and red and blue. This one's got quite a bit of the yellow in it and quite a bit of the gray blue in it. And then it's got a little bit of red at the top and kind of here towards the bottom of it. And then here is the plaid, which that's a really pretty plaid. I just wish it wasn't that coppery rose gold color. And then here's the stardust. And that's got definitely rose gold and copper speckles and little stars in it. And then here's the mushroom. That's definitely not mine. I wouldn't use anything like that. So I'll be honest, you guys, in taking a look at this whole kit this month, as cute as it is and everything, just from a color standpoint, I don't think this is anything that's going to be up my alley. So I do want to get all this back in view here for you. Hopefully you can see it all. But I just want to let you know that I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway for all of this. And I will do it on Instagram. So take a look over there. It may not be today. It may be tomorrow. But I will post a picture of all of this and with the guidelines on what you need to do to qualify for the giveaway. And it'll run for a week from the time that I post it. So you'll have 1 week in order to register. And if you want to take advantage of getting this, I would suggest hopping over to my Instagram, taking a look at that, and getting signed up for the giveaway. In the meantime, again, thanks for being here today. I really appreciate you being here. Again, like I said, if you're new, which pretty much everybody is because I'm a new channel, welcome. I am so glad that you are here. And I am glad to have you. Every one of you means the world to me because, like I said, I am trying to grow my channel. And I know it's a hard thing to do and it's very nerving. And I'm very nervous a lot of the time in doing this. So bear with me if my voice stutters a little bit or I kind of stammer on my words a little bit. But I am trying to do the best that I can. So give me a thumbs up, please. And that does help the channel. Again, hit the icon and hit the like button. And I will see you in my next video. You all take care and have a really great day.